am super excited today. This is Trisha from Huntress Habits, and I woke up a little bit late this morning after having a long night. And first thing right off the bat, Melanie Lane was telling us about something new that Design Space for us, that Cricut has done for us. And I just had to tell you, in case you missed it and you see mine, we can curve text now in Cricut Design Space. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, let's start off. Text. We are happy. Whoop, let's do some capitals. I've got to turn those things off. Okay, here we've got our little we are happy. And we go up here to the curve. It's located between alignment and advanced. See, it's set at 0 right here. If you take it to the right, it curves it down. And then if you take it to the left, and I think I have to lower my text so y'all can see it better. Okay. Put it back at 0. Okay, let me see if I'm doing this right. Okay, we take it into the negative and it curves it the other direction. Okay, so you can make circles. You can, let's see, let's repeat this. I'm sorry, duplicate it. We can take one and do it the other direction. And connect them together. We can do things like that. Okay, let's move these out of the way. Actually, I'm not going to move them out of the way. I'm just going to click on my eyeballs, and that way it'll hide them. Okay, now let's do something is wonderful and will increase our creativity. Okay, I've got it, the screen shrunk down 50%, and that's why you're seeing so much of the text on here. It's still at 72, so I'm going to lower it just so we can see it. I'm going to lower it to about 48, and I'm going to change the text just so we can see what it does. I've not played with this except to make that curved text that we started off on the screen. Okay, let's get something colorful. I know we can change the color of anything. Let's do black letter. Okay. And while we're at it, we will make, well, that's got him in blue. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we can do. Curve. There we go. We did it. A full circle. Yay. Now, If you wanted to, something Melanie showed us. I've got to change that color though. Let's make it pink. Okay, and then of course we're going to arrange that to the back so we can see what's going on. And shrink it just a little bit to get our size. More proportional. I'm just so excited over this. Y'all don't know. I can do spirals now and swirls and all sorts of things like that. Okay. Let's see, what was I doing? Okay. Now, select them both and we can slice. Isn't that exciting? Okay, now normally people close out their text that they don't want. I'm starting to hide mine. Instead of, there we go. There it is. What do y'all think of that? So, give me some ideas on what you're going to be doing with the curved text down in the comments below, and be sure and thank Cricut for doing this for us. It took a while, but that's okay. They listen to us, people. That's why we shouldn't complain. They listen to what we ask them to do, and they do their best to do it. Isn't that wonderful to have a company like that working with us? I'm glad I bought a Cricut. Have a great day, guys.